On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Autodaya. This is their heavy-duty 900-pound capacity mesh steel garden cart. Y'all know these things can be very handy for gardening, for hauling, moving around some heavy items, even like firewood and stuff along those lines. It's got the mesh steel, so it should be pretty sturdy, good construction overall, and it's pretty large overall as well, which is very good for your gardening needs. This one's 44 inches long, 20 inches wide, and just under 3 feet high, not including the handle here. So pneumatic tires and up to 900 pounds loading capacity. So should be able to pull a large amount of items around, heavy items around. The sides fold down and all that good stuff. I'm going to show you all that here. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it comes out of the box and some quick assembly steps before we take it outside and just demonstrate it here next. Alright y'all, there is some assembly required here. As you can see, instruction manual, just needs some basic hand tools, maybe an impact driver just to make life a little bit faster. I'm going to go ahead and put it together, show you some assembly tips along the way. Alright, so I got it standing upright. Got to put the sides on it still. That should be relatively easy. There are a few bolts. They do provide some basic wrenches, but as long as you've got some wrenches and even an impact driver, this makes it easy. A couple of bolts right here, and then your pivot bolt for the wheels. And then just a couple of bolts in the back. Your wheels go on with a washer and a pin over here. So those are pretty easy. I'm going to get the sides on it. And like I said, an easy assembly overall. And we'll get the sides on it, get the handle on it, and test it out. Alright guys, so there's the wagon all together. Just one bolt and nut, a plastic washer. Gets this handle right. And then you put the sides on with just a bunch of clips. Little hinges face outside. Alright, so we got this wagon back together, or all together here. The last pieces are this handle, which is just one bolt and nut, and there's a plastic piece. You just slide the handle, the plastic piece, and the bolt and nut all together in the bracket here, and it operates like it should. You saw the wheels already on, and then the sides just go together with the hinges outside with these pins. Very easy. This thing does roll really easy. Got pretty significant weight capacity. Seems to turn pretty easy as well. So you could grease it a little bit and probably make it turn even easier. The sides go down. I'll show you this one side. And all four of the sides do the same thing. Just like any standard wagon, so you can get things in and out a little bit easier. Load them, unload them, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to find a few things to load up with this thing and just show you, the purposes of using a garden cart. I do want to mention these tires are pneumatic, so you do have to keep air in them. They are tubes and not just tire and rim, so that's probably a benefit there. But yeah, not just standard pneumatic tires. Let's take it outside. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got these pretty large totes here, and this wagon just swallows it up in addition to some tools. You can fit, like I said, a lot of stuff in this with the dimensions. Again, I'm 40 some inches long, 44 inches long, about a little over 20 inches wide. So that's very nice. I'll show you what it looks like pulling it around. Again, up to 900 pounds. You can see it will pivot and rotate very far if you need it to, so that's very nice. And then you can move it, turn it back, and again, if you have more weight on it, it's going to turn better. And then if you just need to pull it around, you can do that as well, and it pulls very easily. The pneumatic tires, just make sure you keep them inflated pretty to spec, and you should be good. So again, like I said, a pretty nice wagon overall, and should suit your needs extremely well if you're looking for any sort of small wagon or yard cart or anything along those lines. to pull around tools, gardening equipment, firewood, whatever you may need to move around stuff from one place to another. Alright guys, that's everything on this folding wagon. Hopefully you found this review helpful and informative. Again, these are extremely handy to have around the house and the garden and the yard, for whatever gardening needs you might need. Or loading needs, unloading needs, whatever. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Alright guys, that's everything on this BS200 Super Starter from Ansel. Again, great to have at the ready and nice and handy to have for your battery starting and reserve power needs. There's a little area you can charge it here as well with some USB-C. So that's very nice. You can charge it totally independent of the hooking it up to the battery, which is good. So thank you again very much for watching. Hopefully you found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.